everyone, it's Kim with Memories Cast Love. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Once we have 100 subscribers, I'll have a Dollar Tree giveaway. I really hope you enjoy this craft, so let's get started. Okay, this is an easy project, and what you need for it is a gift bag. And you can pick any gift bag that you like with any design that you like. Then you'll need some poster board. This is a 5-pack, and this one is just plain white. Then you'll need an 11 by 14 photo frame, and that's what size these are too, by the way. They are 11 by 14. And then you're going to need a hot glue gun, double-sided tape. Then I picked a couple flowers. These ones are they're just roses, red. And then I have some of the white berries. Actually, a little bit left over on this, but this is what they look like there. And then a paper cutter will make it a lot easier, but you could use scissors if you didn't have a paper cutter. Okay, to start out, we're going to cut the gift bag. And I'm going to try and not cut very much off of the sides. First, I'm taking out, in the bottom of the bag is like a cardboard bottom. So I'm taking that out so that way it's easier to cut. It'll still be a little rough because of the sides being so thick. Okay. And before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and remove the ribbon, because you could use the ribbon in another project. So I'm going to remove both sides. Bows, and then in that too is also some other cardboard. And I'm going to go ahead and tear off the little hang strip. And we can just toss all that. Okay, now we're ready. I'm just going to cut off a small amount. And go ahead and cut this part by hand, since my I almost said shredder. No, not my shredder. My cutter does not go all the way to the end. Okay. Here we go for the other side. Oh, there it did go through all the way. Then we're going to cut off. You can take out the sides too. Sides are just black. You could use this for another paper craft if you want to also. Now we're cutting off these holes that where the ribbon was. So you're just lining that up. And pop that off. And now there's no holes up on there. We're going to go ahead and pull it through and cut as close to where the crease is without cutting the crease. Because you want it to be nice and flat for underneath the picture frame. So, and then we still have this part, and you can use that, of course, in a different frame. and a different craft. So we're just going to set that off to the side. We are done with the paper cutter. So I'm just going to put that down off my table. And go ahead and throw away all my paper. Okay. Now you have your poster board, your white poster board. Just have one piece. And then I am going to center this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the double-sided tape about an inch each piece. It's easier if you just use your thumb and then put it on there. And I'm just doing the one side first so I can see. Looks like it needs to come over. A little bit. Okay, I'm going to say that's center. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put some in the middle. Just so that sticks. Okay. And then go ahead and push that down. And then we're going to go ahead and put some more on the bottom. Being careful not to crease the gift bag. I mean, it's fine if you do it. I just want mine to be more straight. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press that down. And that's it for that. Now, if you wanted to decorate around, you could. And that, but I'm saving my flowers for on the outside. And for this, I'm going to use my wire cutters and just flip up these tabs. The back of this one is a little creased, but of course no one's going to be seeing that because you're going to have it hanging up, or maybe you're going to have it standing in an easel. There we go, and then I just go and make sure I have them. Okay, now we're just going to remove that and take out the piece that came with it. Now we're going to turn it over, and since it's the same size as the frame, should fit in there just fine. Then we're going to put, oops, help if I know which way. Okay, let's do it this way in here. Okay, now we're going to put the backing back on. Okay, just put, oops, all your tabs down. Okay, turn it over. There is your picture. Again, double checking. For some reason, there's something on my picture, so I'm going to take, I just noticed it, hopefully it's not on the inside. I'm just taking an alcohol prep pad, so it's just alcohol, and I'm just seeing if it comes off. It looks like it took it off, so it was on the outside. Now we are going to put our flowers on. I decided I'm going to put my berries on like that, and then maybe my rose in the berries. Oops, there went a berry. Okay, so we're just going to toss that because I don't even know if I want to attempt to do that. And I am not going to glue the stem because I don't want you to see
all the glue on there. So I'm actually going to put glue on the berries. So okay. Get that right in there. Okay. Just press those berries down for a minute. Okay, now we're going to take the rose again and figure it out again because I put it in there. There we go. I think I like that. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a bunch around there, around the stem, and then I'm just going to pop it right there in that hole again. Hold it, and look at that. Such a simple piece, and I really like how it turned out. Okay, I decided that I am going to put a little bit more decoration on the frame. I just thought it looked a little bit too plain. So I had bought some of the jewel stickers. These are red. So I'm going to put a few on the outside of the frame just to dress it up a little bit. If you wanted to put a bow or something like that, you could do that. Okay, I like that a lot better. Just gives it a little bit more sparkle. I'm very pleased with it now.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you got some inspiration. Click on the Show More below to find out more about the items I used today, and we'll see you next time. And remember to make some loving memories today.